Stack Overflow Jobs online job platform review, usage experience. Welcome to our Stack Overflow Jobs online job platform review. In this video, we'll go over the platform's features, usability, and who it's best suited for. If you're a developer or IT professional looking for high-quality job opportunities, this could be a great choice for you. You'll find a link to Stack Overflow Jobs in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Stack Overflow Jobs is part of the larger Stack Overflow ecosystem, which is one of the most trusted resources for developers worldwide. The job board is tailored specifically for software developers, engineers, and IT specialists, meaning all job listings are highly relevant to those in the tech industry. Unlike generic job boards, Stack Overflow Jobs connects tech talent with companies that understand the importance of hiring skilled developers. One of its biggest strengths is its focus on developer-first job searching. Job postings are detailed, often listing specific tech stacks, development methodologies, and remote work options. Employers posting here are typically tech-driven companies, ranging from startups to Fortune 500 enterprises, ensuring that job seekers are applying for meaningful, high-quality positions. The search and filtering options are excellent. You can filter jobs by programming language, technology stack, remote availability, and even company perks. Unlike many job boards that require blind applications, Stack Overflow Jobs allows candidates to see company culture insights, tech stacks used, and salary ranges up front, which is a huge advantage when choosing the right job. One key downside is that Stack Overflow Jobs is smaller than platforms like LinkedIn or Indeed, meaning fewer total listings. However, the quality over quantity approach makes it highly efficient for serious job seekers. Additionally, some companies require users to apply through their own hiring portals, which can slow down the process. Overall, Stack Overflow Jobs is one of the best platforms for developers looking for jobs tailored to their skills. If you're in software development or IT, it's a fantastic resource to find job opportunities that align with your expertise. Click the link in the description to explore Stack Overflow Jobs today.